Hi, I'm Craig Warner, President and CEO of the Whalen Company, and welcome to Easton, Maryland. Let's talk about the history of the Whalen Company and how we got to where we are today. In 1962, James Whalen was an HVAC sales engineer working in the Washington, D.C. metro area. At that time, fan coil systems were supplied with water from an independent riser run-out distribution system. This independent distribution system with field risers, run-outs, insulation, and large amounts of labor was very costly to install. But Mr. Whalen had a new, innovative idea. What if we made a unique, prefabricated system that drastically reduced these costs? Each unit would be stackable floor to floor with simple coupling connections between the units. The unit becomes the riser and distribution system. So Mr. Whalen designed and patented the very first vertical stack fan coil known as the riser heat exchanger. The Whalen Company originally started out as a mechanical contractor in order to show other contractors and owners the benefits of the vertical stack system. After a year, Whalen became strictly a manufacturer, and we set up operations in Laurel, Maryland, and established a rep network to sell Whalen units. At that point, Mr. Whalen's son, Warner, took over and expanded the company from a regional East Coast operation to a national operation. We remained in Laurel until 1975, after the second Hurricane Eloise flooded our facility. Whalen temporarily moved to Baltimore, Maryland, until we could find a more permanent home. In 1979, we purchased the land in Easton, Maryland, constructed the original 50,000 square foot manufacturing facility. As the movement of the factory was taking place, Whalen continued to innovate with new products. Starting in 1972, Whalen designed and developed the first vertical stack water source heat pump. Kind of a unique story with this. Mr. Whalen was an avid boater, and when he was on large boats, yachts, he noticed they had small, compact air conditioning units. And he thought to himself, I think I can take that unit, put it into one of our cabinets to make a vertical stack water source heat pump. So sure enough, we took a unit out of a boat, we put it in one of our cabinets, and hence brought the design on of a vertical stack water source heat pump. 1985, we developed our first valve control fan coil to complement our existing riser heat exchanger product. In 1995, Warner Whalen retired from the Whalen Company. My father, Ron Warner, who had been with the company since the mid-1960s, became president. At that point, Whalen began to expand into Canada with the growth of the water source heat pump. In 1999, we added 13,000 square feet to the facility to our tube bending facility and our water source heat pump chassis production. At the same time, we also introduced our Whisper Pack hybrid heat pump. In 2003, we expanded again with a 25,000 square foot addition. This warehouse was for raw material, finished good, but also engineering, research, and development. We put in a psychometric lab and engineering fabrication capabilities. In 2014, we introduced the first slide-out coil pack vertical stack fan coil, using the same concept of our slide-out chassis of the water source heat pump. The benefit of this product is ease of install, service, and replacement. In 2016, I became president of the Whalen Company, and then we began our new 5-year strategic plan. This plan entailed packaged water source heat pump design, aftermarket growth, and enhanced sales representation. In 2016, we separated our aftermarket parts division from our new construction, and we purchased a facility across the street from our main facility. In 2017, we introduced the packaged water source heat pump, as well as an integrated ERV in our vertical stack water source heat pump to comply with future building code changes. In 2017, we completed the acquisition of Coal Point Corporation in Rome, New York, to grow our aftermarket division. In 2018, we introduced the industry first 2-stage vertical stack heat pump. In 2019, we broke ground up in Rome, New York for a brand new facility for Coal Point Corporation. This will be a 50,000 square foot facility. In 2020, we will release our high-efficiency 2-stage compact water source heat pump package unit, which will reset the bar for compact unit efficiency. Throughout our history, we have continued to innovate, and we look for better ways to do things. We are asked often, what sets Whalen apart from your competitors? To me, it's all about our emphasis on relationships with our employees, our representatives, and our customers. We are a family business, and we want our employees to thrive and advance in the company and also benefit from its success. In fact, Whalen has had a profit sharing plan in place since 1978. Our relationship with our representatives is better described as a partnership. We support each other and we work together to meet our customers' needs. But it's really more than that. Our representatives know if they have an issue, they can call direct and speak with anyone in senior management. I get calls all the time. We are here for them, and they know we have their back, and we will stand behind our product. And the same is true for our customers. We have many repeat customers because they know what they're getting every time they buy a Whalen product: quality, flexibility, and integrity. Our units are highly efficient, quiet, and reliable. We offer multiple configurations and options to help reduce field labor or install issues, and we always stand behind our product and do the right thing. Taking care of all these relationships is how we have remained successful for nearly 6 decades and will continue into the future. We've always been focused on the long term. It's why we invest in our employees, our facilities, and our relationships. We are looking forward to the next 6 decades of innovation and building these relationships.